Hello everyone, Jawtooth here on a Friday afternoon, and I'm just going through Sardinia and I see the train. So let's see what they got. I'm gonna get in front of them and start the video some, because I'm just barely in front of them. Here they come. Wow, that was cool. They're booking too. Let's get them again. Wow, that was cool. Weensburg, downtown Weensburg, here on Gay Street. Booking right along. Thanks for watching, folks. Gotta give me a thumbs up for that. It's cold and windy. And noisy. But wait, there's more. Of course there always is. And I just want to say that those gondolas, those came from coal and recycling in Macon. So those are loaded with scrap metal. So let's keep the chase going, son. What'd you guys think of that? That car there pulling right out in front of the train. I see that all the time. It's not really much of anything anymore. I mean, I've seen a few close calls. When I was in Florida, there was a car that just got missed just by inches. But people run in front of the train all the time. It's no big deal anymore. There they go, down here on Round Bottom Road at Barg Salt Run, just outside of Milford. That was a good one. They're moving along pretty good there. That was a nice train right there. Thanks for watching, folks. You gotta give me a thumbs up for that, because that was really cool. See you later. Okay everyone, thanks for watching. I got a longer video coming out here the next day or two showing them doing switching work at Huhtamaki and also Mount Carmel Group. So stay tuned for that one. And we'll see you later. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe.